How to add text to Facebook Reels at different times. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up Facebook. Now tap on your profile, scroll down and click on videos. Now tap on create reel. Now record your reel. Now after recording, tap on the text icon. Now tap on next and click on text. Now type your text. Now at the upper part of your screen you will see a clock icon. Tap on it. Now select the text duration. Tap on done. Again click on text. Now create other text. Again repeat the same process. Select the duration and tap on done. Now tap on next and that's it. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.